The police are investigating another attack on 3 Beryllium security guards at the Total gas station in Harbour, St. Andrew on Wednesday. Reports are that approximately 12:55 p.m., 2 of the security guards went to reload a Jamaica National ATM when a black motor vehicle carrying armed men drove up to the plaza. One of the assailants, armed with a rifle, disembarked from the vehicle and fired bullets at the 3rd guard who was providing cover. The security team responded by returning fire. The 3 guards are being treated after sustaining minor injuries. The Hyundai Staria driven by the guards was also damaged, but no money was stolen.